Hello, in front of me I've got Snapchat. In this video I'll show you how to save Snapchat photos without notification. In the beginning, you can save Snapchat photos without notification via second smartphone. Simply take a photo of your display of the snap. Also, you can record the screen on your smartphone before taking the snapshot. Be aware, any direct screenshot or screen recording usually sends notification unless bypassed externally. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.